Don't be in a relationship where another person is always the one giving money, giving whatever. Nigerians, we need to be careful. It's the reason why most people, good people, run away from you, because you are only a collector. You don't give anything. Parasitic living, from pillar to post, looking for rich men, looking for whatever. Can you help me, sir? Can I get something from you? You see, that's how you know failures. As soon as they look at men, their eyes go to their pocket. No. I tell you, it's the way of losers. Let me give you a secret. When God brings you before greatness, never look like a beggar. Find how to contribute to their life. My young friend, a great man comes to your house. Don't stand outside waving your hand, waiting for him to come out so that you can say, "Sean, sir." Start washing his car while he's inside. Contribute something. Everybody's need is his point of contact. Hallelujah. I'm sorry to say it, but you find that happen around. Able-bodied young people, when they see politicians or when they see great people, they hang around for hours. All they are waiting is for someone, so they give them something. It's the way of a loser. God created every man and gave him dignity. Are we together? Mutual contribution.
Pastor, thank you very much for this talk now. Ikuchela halile senwe much nwere ụmụ nwanyị akụ naanị ya adam ego dị mma but helela away wasn't go because pastor ekwela helile ukucha everything from A to Z. Pastor ekwela, you know, I mean, come on, muna a broke lady gan, like magaloro a broke lady madre single, because it does a lot of the year now. Any family has an issue, not an issue. Family an issue, man can get the yoga give me an issue. So come on, if that's part of my single, all the girl you go ahead and get a bit low. I know you, madam, I'm not the way him for now. Yes, but I'm engaged. With time, I go still get. So, Pastor, thank you for this, Thank you.